Darren here to talk to you about the benefits of regular heat exposure and the differences between the infrared sauna, steam room and dry sauna. The main difference is around the humidity. By that I mean your dry sauna and your steam room is going to heat the room, and your infrared sauna is more going to heat you, being the source. So some people prefer that more intense heat that a steam room and sauna will provide, where others prefer that less intense heat. But all three methods are going to provide incredible sweat and the endless benefits that come from regular heat exposure. And our infrared sauna has been shown to get a deeper penetration than your steam room and dry sauna. When looking at infrared saunas, it's important to understand that not all infrared saunas are created equal. They provide us with far and near infrared rays that we desire, but not the EMFs, which are electronic magnetic fields, which can be provide radiation on the body. So the one that we have, the Sunstream sauna, provides the lowest level of EMFs on the market when it comes to all infrared saunas. Alright, let's look at the benefits of regular saunaing. The first one we're going to look at is heart health and longevity. There was a study out of Finland, which was a 20-year study of 2,300 males. The study found the males that had regular sauna exposure had reduced cardiac death and heart disease, as well as live longer with reduced illnesses. Number 2 on the list is the detoxification of chemicals and heavy metal. Regular saunaing is fantastic for detoxifying through sweat. Now, our skin is one of the major detoxifying organs in the body, so you're going to break down fat cells and release toxins from those cells. Number 3 on the list is aiding in recovery. Research has shown that you're going to increase growth hormone. So growth hormone is a fat-blasting hormone, but it also is essential for putting on lean muscle, as well as increased blood flow, which is going to get essential nutrients to skeletal muscle, as well as removing waste products and byproducts from the body. Number 4 on the list is reducing arthritic and muscular pain through regular sauna use. Number 5, we're looking at skin rejuvenation. Getting that regular heat exposure is incredible for your skin and overall vitality and health. Number 6, you're going to increase your immunity, get the lymph system going. Number 7, better sleep. So if you're struggling having a good night's sleep, what you can look at is 20-30 minutes to an hour or so before bedtime, come on in and have a sauna and couple that with an ice bath for even better results, because what both methods do is help reset your parasympathetic nervous system, which is rest and digest, to help you get a good night's sleep, but also you're going to get the release of endorphins, which is your feel-good hormones, which is soothing. So you're going to release a lot of tension and stress and go to bed in a calm, relaxed state so you can have an improved sleep. The next question we often get when it comes to sauna use and the protocols we have here in the restoration zone is how often and how long. I definitely recommend about 20 to 30 minutes. You might do 10 minutes in each or 20 minutes in one, but you want a minimum of 20 or so minutes. Now, how often? Well, ideally, optimal would be every day, but if you can get in 2-3 times a week, you're going to get benefits and results from that. For myself personally, I do the hot cold therapy 3 times a week. So I hope you can do the same, and I hope you found this little video beneficial in aiding you achieve your health and wellness goals.